Activating a new Xfinity modem is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. To begin, first ensure you have received your new modem and all the necessary equipment, including the power cord, coaxial cable, and Ethernet cable. Next, locate a suitable location for your modem, such as a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Connect the power cord to the modem and plug it into a nearby power outlet. Then, connect the coaxial cable to the modem and the other end to a nearby cable outlet. Now, connect your computer or device to the modem using an Ethernet cable. If you are using a wireless connection, make sure your device is in range of the modem. Open a web browser and navigate to the Xfinity activation website. You will be prompted to enter your Xfinity account information, including your account name and password. Once you have logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to activate your new modem. You may be asked to provide the modem's serial number, which can be found on the underside of the device. After completing the activation process, your modem will automatically restart and begin to configure itself. During this time, you may see a series of blinking lights on the modem. This is a normal part of the activation process. Once the lights have stopped blinking and the modem is fully configured, you can begin using your Xfinity Internet service. To test your connection, open a web browser and navigate to a website of your choice. If you are able to access the website, your modem has been successfully activated. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, you can contact Xfinity customer support for assistance. Best practices for activating a new Xfinity modem include ensuring all cables are securely connected, using a high-quality coaxial cable, and keeping the modem in a well-ventilated area. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and easily activate your new Xfinity modem and begin enjoying fast and reliable internet service.